Here's an example layout for applied physics laboratory room that houses instruments and devices for learning sensors or transducers, modern electronics, microcontroller-based instrumentation, digital circuit design, and Internet of Things prototypes. What I'm showing you right now is the version 1 layout where we have an open floor, which is unnecessary for this kind of physics laboratory. Typically, you need this kind of layout for a laboratory that involves mechanics experiments where large spaces are advantageous, or when you need to test the motion of robots for some activities. For now, let's assume that this room has one door, though ideally, a laboratory room must have more than one entry or exit point for emergency or for conducting practical exams. Here, we have tables for performing soldering and other activities that may require fume hood or fume vent. Over here, we have tables where we can place oscilloscopes and function generators. If we have more than two groups, we can also use these tables to place oscilloscopes and function generators. Again, for soldering and other activities that involves hazardous substances, there will be a fume hood or fume vent above these tables. Here we have tables for group activities. If the laboratory experiment requires oscilloscope, function generator, training board, circuit components, etc., the lab instructor or students will just get this stuff from the prep room or from a storage cabinet. Or, since oscilloscopes are generally heavy, we may just position them on these tables all throughout the semester. This lowers the chance of breaking the oscilloscope when students accidentally drop the oscilloscope when they keep on carrying it from one place to another. To protect the oscilloscope when not in use, we may just cover it with a black fabric that is tailored in such a way it fits the oscilloscope. Next, we have this version 2 layout where the space of the laboratory is maximized. This is a typical layout where the tables are placed at the center of the room instead of placing it beside the wall. In other labs like chemistry lab or thermodynamics lab, etc., the tables are distributed at the center so that group activities are efficiently carried out. However, for this specific layout, the tables are positioned adjacent to each other. This is because we assume that the tables here have permanent compartments for oscilloscopes and function generators. The said devices are well protected by the compartments that are attached to the table. We place them in this position so that there will be enough space on the table to place the oscilloscope probes connected on an actual circuit. In other words, we will be using the space of another table to construct the circuit. This circuit is usually designed to demonstrate a specific concept or study a particular component.